Let me tell you the fastest way to go from zero to $100,000. Let's talk about it.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, and today I'm gonna tell you about how you can go from zero to $100,000 in income right now. All right, so let's go to my whiteboard. How do you go from zero to 100,000? And when I say zero, that means you ain't got no money. So what do you need to do? You should know what I'm gonna tell you to do if you watch my videos. Start a business, okay? Why do I say start a business? Let me tell you why. And actually, let me shout out to somebody. This just popped in my head because I think that it's gonna help me explain this better. But shout out to Tenacity Academy and Katrina Johnson, because I watched a video she posted earlier, and she didn't say this, but I think about what she said. I can use it as an analogy. She said basically, if you want to start in the cleaning industry, because that's what me and her coach in, right? Basically, stop looking for applications and start looking for contracts, right? So stop looking for job applications and change your mindset. Instead, look for contracts, right? Well, the same logic go for why starting a business is going to get you to $100,000 fast. Think about it. What type of job is going to pay you $100,000 a year? I don't know. You name them. You know what I mean? I don't know because I don't care. But if you name them, they probably require what? A degree. What does a business require for you to get started? No credentials at all. You just get started, right? So that's why I say starting a business is the fastest way to go from zero to 100. Now, in my case, I started a cleaning company to get from zero to 100,000. And actually, I ain't gonna say I went from zero. It was actually 3,000 because that's what I put in, right? So I started with the 3,000, and then I just started getting contracts. So what are contracts? I mean customers that pay me. I put the customers on the contracts. They paid me every month. So I had got I think my very first contract was $150 a month. It was a trucking company called Evans something out there in Chesapeake, Virginia. Then I got my second one. It was another $150 one. This one was a home health service place. Then I had got my third one. I can't remember what my third one was. I think it might have been Davis Law Group in Chesapeake. I can't remember, but that one was like I think $375, something like that. And then I got a big one. That one came. That one was $2,000 a month. That was the Usui building over in Chesapeake. Then after that, it just took off. I got building after building, contract after contract, right? And then at some point, I got to the point where I was at $83,300 a month, right? Which is $100,000 a year. That is the fastest way to get from zero to 100,000, all right? Actually, we do $83,300 because that's what the actual number is to get $100,000 a year, okay? So $83,300 divided by 100 equals 83. So that means you need to sell that $100 product 83 times a month to get to your six figures, okay? So you want to get $100,000 a year? Get you a $100 product. What if you get you a $1,000 product? How many of those do you got to sell? Probably 8.3, right? So say that 8 times a month, and you'll be at your $8,300 a month, all right? What if you got a $1 product? You know what I mean? Whatever the math is, you just do the math on it, and then you go do that. Now it's like, okay, AJ, that's easy. That's it. That's easily said than done. Well, no shit. You think business is gonna be easy, right? Is it supposed to, if it was that easy, everybody would do it, man. That's the old phrase that we use in the self-help industry because it's true. Okay? If it was that easy, everybody would do it. But since it's not that easy, then you be the one that's tough enough, that's strong enough, that's hard enough, that's smart enough, that's capable enough to get out there and go make it happen, man. So, can you go from zero to 100,000? Absolutely. Now, let me give you some ideas, some practical ideas other than just the cleaning industry one that I shared with you here. Because like I said, I started with 3,000. What if you don't even got 3,000? Then what do? All right, here's something else I did. I wrote a book, okay? And what do I write a book about? Something that I knew about, okay? So I wrote about the cleaning franchises because I used to own a cleaning franchise before I learned about independent cleaning businesses were better than cleaning franchises. But anyway, I wrote a book. How much did it cost me to write that book? $0. I got on Microsoft Word. Today I will get on Google Docs, but who cares what you get on? Just type it up, right? Type it up, save it as a PDF file, upload it onto Amazon's KDP website. Bam. You sell the book, you collect the royalties every single month from Amazon. That's a way that you literally can go from 0 to 100,000. Just sell enough copies to get you to 100,000, right? What else can you do? Affiliate marketing, okay? If you know somebody that's selling a product and they're willing to, hey, if you consider this $1,000 product for me, I'll give you $200 out of $1,000 when you sell it. Bam. How much did it cost you to make that product or get that product? Nothing. You didn't even make it. Somebody else made it. You just selling it for them. There you go. So that's how you can make money from no money, and that's the fastest way to get from 0 to 100,000 is simply to start a business. If you don't have the funds to start with a business, then you need to do some affiliate marketing. You better write a book. You better create a course. You better do something that you can start with absolutely $0. And not just the internet either. I'm going to tell you another thing I did back in my day, just making money out of no money, all right? One thing I did was I found a car dealership that I actually bought a car from. They told me, hey, if you refer somebody, we'll give you $500. I was like, dang, okay. You refer somebody to get $500, okay. So what I said was I put an ad on my Facebook page, on my regular old Facebook profile, and I said, hey, make sure y'all go see my guy Anthony over at X dealership. And if you buy from him, I'll fill up your gas tank for free as soon as you get it, just for supporting my guy. Now, what they didn't know was the reason why I would fill their gas tank up is because they would give me $500 anyway. So I would get $500 minus a little $40 to $80 to fill up the tank. I'm cool with that. I didn't pay for the car. I didn't do anything. All I did is simply tell other people about the opportunity or about the product. If they went through me, they got to sell, the dealership got to sell. I got my free commission. It cost me absolutely nothing to do that. So these are the things that you have to do. Get creative when you don't have the money to get started with a business. Then once you flip a couple times doing these creative things that you can use to get money without money, take that, put it into a business, and start doing this, okay? So that's what I got for y'all. I'm AJ Simmons, and now you know how to go from 0 to 100,000. If you liked this video, hit subscribe, hit like, comment at the bottom, and share this information, y'all. Don't be selfish with it. Share, tell them about me, man, because I got more information for you and to help you grow and build your business just like I did. Thank y'all.